things that students really look for is having choices. They kind of see the traditional, like, okay, I really like biology, I really like chemistry, I really like math or science, just in general. They don't necessarily know what they're going to do. So for me personally, the materials allow an opportunity to connect to potential careers for students. And so they can see that it's not just a subject that they're learning, but that they can apply it to other things in their life.
Well, I have the privilege to work at a career development campus where students are already kind of like in the art of metallurgy or in some organic chemistry areas. And this really helps me tie into what they can do in their jobs.
One of the things that we were talking about at the industry lunch was how do we get kids interested in this sort of field. And the biggest way we get them interested is just to let them know that it exists. And so by using this in the classroom, by just letting the kids know that this is something that is available and it's an actual real field. And so just by having teachers become aware of them, they can pass that information and those experiences on to the students.
I started out in biomedical research and then moved into teaching. Sometimes I get rusty and I get out of practice, and so just being able to come and be a student for the day is really important for educators so that we remember what our students are going through when they're sitting in our classrooms, and then also it helps us to be able to bring your materials, your information to our students to make that connection between education and industry.
I'll use this with the students every day. It really helps them to have that hands-on, but it's not just about hands-on. It's about letting them explore the materials in a non-frightening way.
There's a need for students to be aware of the field, for the industry to realize that this is the need and this is a valid and productive way of getting that need met. Thanks for that. I appreciate it.